This is the 1965 Westminster Dog Show. The Westminster Dog Show has been taking place continuously in the United States since 1877.
2,500 dogs put their best paw forward in New York as they point towards the top prize in dogdom, best in show at the Westminster. Of course, most of them would rather be out chasing cats, but they feel they have the duty to make their owners happy. From sheepdogs to Manchester Terriers, from Great Danes to Yorkshires, they're all here, and we'll refrain from saying that they're all putting on the dog. The Dalmatian, he's the old-time coach dog, casts an eye on one of the trophies as the plush crowd settles down for the judging of the best brace. This calls for a showing of almost perfectly matched teams, and it's a hard choice for the judges to decide on Little Snow Flutter and Little Toff. The toy poodles are a double delight to dog fanciers. Then the judging of Best in Show, the most coveted prize in dogdom. Defending champ is a Whippet, champion Courtney Fleetwood of Pennyworth. He's in the running right down to the final nod, but that nod goes to a Scotty, champion Carmichael's Fanfare, plain Mamie to you and me, the first Scottish Terrier to win in 15 years.